Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to disable integrated graphics in Windows. Let's get started. First, click the search bar on the Windows and type Device Manager. Then open Device Manager and expand Display Adapter. Then you'll see your integrated graphics, and this is built into your CPU. And after that, right click it and select Disable Device. Be careful because this may cause display issues or a blank screen on some systems. If you have a dedicated graphics card, it's better to switch to that instead of disabling. If you're using PC, make sure your monitor cable is plugged into the dedicated GPU, not the motherboard. Then go to your GPU website, NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest drivers and install them. Then search Graphics Settings in Windows, then open it and set apps to use your high-performance GPU. Now you know how to manage or disable integrated graphics in Windows safely. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.